Thank you.
Shot down by as much as 14 points in the first quarter. TNT made sure to show renewed energy moving forward. In your opinion, what was the most important factor that was established that made all the difference?
When I got my technical foul. I think that's when we made the run. When I picked up that technical, Rain or Shine was playing really well. They were not missing any shots, and we couldn't make a basket in the first quarter. But we really set ourselves a goal of limiting them below 100. This is the number one. This is the top scoring team in the league. So we wanted to limit them below 100 points. And we had it, except for those two turnovers in the end when the game was beyond reach already. We could have held them below 100. So in the end, that was it was just our defense limiting them to only 14 points in the second quarter. I thought that was the turning point.
Thank you, Coach Chot. Now, boy, congratulations as well to you. Dahil na-establish mo ang career high with your performance today. Anong opportunities yung nakita mo sa laro na nakatulong para sa araw na ito?
I just let the game come to me. Kasi nakaka-attract kasi ng depensa sila Roger, sila Calvin. So setting good screens, trying to make them open. And then when yung kalaban, pag double siya, ako na yun open. So ang laking bagay nung ganun na may mga teammate ka na doon. And then sobrang hindi unselfish ba. So I'm lucky na yung mga teammates ko, they look for me. And then yun, nagpe-pay off naman yung mga sa akin, yung mga pasa nila. And then syempre playing good defense. Kasi syempre by playing good defense, yung offense mo susunod na lang din naman yun. So,
thank you, boy. Now we would like to open the floor for friends from the press.
Wala na, gabi na. Uwi na tayo.
ayan.
Coach, congrats. Coach, you're not in this game na wala si Ray, 46 weeks yata. If you're coming up, you're in the conference na wala si Jason,
Yep.
mga kulang kayo, did that help you na makondisyon kayo na kahit kulang na lang kayo ng player, you can still perform at the level na gusto naman?
Well, in our first practice after our last game, when we knew that Ray would be out, we talked about it and we told the other players that they had to step up. We really worked a lot on Jello and Brian and even Kim Aurin as well. But unfortunately, Kim and Brian didn't play well today. Hopefully, they can they can recover and play better the next game. But I think it was important that we accept that we don't have a Ray Batak, who was very instrumental in our second unit to score. So when we knew that, then we practiced in such a way that we could live without Ray. And that meant making sure that we get stops and we get quality shots. We're not going to make every shot, but as long as we come down and take good shots and not turn the ball over, then we figured that we would have a chance. And I think that's what happened in today's game. We shot the ball poorly in the first half, but they were good shots and we weren't turned the ball over. We ended up with only 8 turnovers the whole game. And there were 2 turnovers in the end where it was already beyond when the game was over. So I thought we did a good job in getting good shots.
15 words straight win, you think you're getting the hang of things after that slow start?
Yeah, our approach is just to make sure that we get better every day. And to do that, we have to make sure that we have good practices. We really had a good week of practice. I'm sure Poy would attest to that. We had a good week of practice. So much so that kami na nagpipigil ng practice because it was just getting a lot of too intense already. So we had a good week of practice. And that's the only way we can compete. With our lack of manpower, we don't have the talent or the depth of the other teams. So we just have to be better. We have to be connected so that the sum of our parts becomes greater than the whole. And I think that's the only way that we can compete. Kasi wala na kaming Jason, wala pa kaming Ray, wala pa si Henry Garinato. So those are 3 guys who are very important in our rotation. So we just have to accept who we have and make do with the cards that we're dealt with.
How long do you see the team sustaining this kind of streak with all of the most of your players are injured?
Well, hindi namin iniisip yun eh. We're just focused right now. We're now focused on the next game. We'll take this as long as we can. But we're going to be facing the heavier half of our schedule now, these next few games. So we're not thinking about that, the streak. We're just thinking of our next game, our game against Northport. That's the only thing that's on our mind now.
Coach, could you elaborate yung technical mo? What happened? Team coach yun.
Baka ma-fine ako. No, ang sinasabi ko, there are games when the other coaches, team ko, they crossed, nandun na sila sa technical committee. They didn't even get a technical. Na warning, I think what he got was a warning. So, I told the referee, so akala ko, pwede rin sa akin yun. Hindi ako nagmura. It was a dead ball, and I didn't go half as far as the other coaches did. I was just there, medyo nasa half court ako, but I expected at least a warning. So, what I was lamenting is the double standard. I think there's a double standard. If they say bawal magreklamo at bawal pumasok sa lahat. Maski sino ka, basta pumasok ka, technical ka. I'll accept that. But if the others can do it, and then sa akin hindi pwede, that's where I draw the line. And yun ang rinireklamo ko. And iba-iba yung kanilang explanation sa akin. So, but that's exactly my point in that incident.
Coach, when you face Rainer Shine multiple times already, siguro outside in Ebro, ito na yung pinakamadalas ng kalaban. Do you feel like you've developed like a rivalry-like atmosphere? You mentioned na intensive practice. Do you feel like facing Rainer Shine parang may added fuel or added to it facing them?
Not on my end, but we consider Rain or Shine among the top tier teams. You talk about Magnolia, San Miguel, and Ginebra. Rain or Shine is right there. We look at them as a very, in fact, we said that before the game. This is going to present a big challenge for us. So I said, the only way we can do this is if we defend well. And sa akin, nothing for me. It was an important game in the sense that we would get now to the top half, to a winning record. Yun ang importante sa akin. But other than that, I'm pretty sure we're going to meet them again down the road. We just take the game as it presents itself. Right now, this was an important game for us. We knew we were facing a hot team, and it demanded our best. So.
May naalala ko ba time na score ka ng 30 points?
Wala, ngayon lang. Ito na yung parang siguro, hindi ko alam na makapot ako 30 points.
Ako rin, hindi ko kaya.
Hindi ko naman expect. It's a really team effort lang, total team effort. So I'm glad na, yun nga, ang ganda ng laro namin, pero if matalo, sayang, diba? So luckily, we worked hard and we got the win. So,
Naka 3 points pa, nagpapasab na nga siya eh. Naka 3 points, sabi ko, pagod ka na pala, ba't ka tumira? Shoot
Pero yung defense mo po, yung still scoring mas
You should score times.
Siyempre, sa game kasi marami kami mga coverage, ganun, sistema
Dami
namin,
schemes.
So, pero in the back of my head, there's always help your teammates. Kasi sila rin, alam ko yung tutulungan nila ako. So, it's about communicating, knowing where your man, knowing where the opponent, yung help side, alam mo kung ano yung gagawin ng kalaban, ganyan. So, yun, more kami lahat nag-communicate. So, lahat kami nagtutulungan. So, kaya gumaganda yung depensa namin as a team.
Coach, Coach, you limited Adrian Locom and Cedric Santillan, yung top scorer
Yeah.
previously. So,
That was really the game plan. Yeah.
And that's all the